Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for an easy and effective way to whiten your teeth at home and actually see results, then you're in the right place. And in today's video, I'll be sharing my honest thoughts on snow teeth whitening and if they actually work. I'll cover everything that you need to know about this product, including how it works, its pros and cons, the results you can expect, and of course, my personal experience using it. So hopefully, by the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of whether snow teeth whitening is the right choice for you. And if at any point you decide that you want to give snow a try, you can check out the affiliate link I left for you down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a special discount that you won't find directly on their website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so Snow Teeth Whitening is basically a company that focuses on offering effective at-home teeth whitening kits. The company was started in 2017 and has quickly become a top brand in the teeth whitening industry by offering innovative products designed to provide professional-level results from the comfort of your own home, with the goal to make teeth whitening accessible and affordable for everyone, including those with sensitive teeth. Now, Snow's teeth whitening process is designed to be simple, and so here's how it works. First, you start by ordering one of Snow's teeth whitening kits, which includes everything that you need to get started. The kit comes with a lead mouthpiece and a teeth shade guide to track your progress, and a whitening serum, which is designed to be gentle on your teeth while effectively removing stains. To start the whitening process, you start by brushing your teeth as you normally would. Then you apply the whitening serum to your teeth using the applicator that they give you. After that, you put in the lead mouthpiece, which is designed to enhance the effectiveness of the whitening serum. And you can use the mouthpiece for as little as 9 minutes a day, but if you leave it in for longer, you'll most likely see the results quicker. Besides that, throughout the treatment, Snow gives you detailed instructions and customer support to help you get the best possible results. Also, most customers see a difference in their teeth within a few days of consistent use. That being said, in terms of their plans, pricing, and features, first up, we have the Diamond Series Teeth Whitening Kit, which is priced at about $80. This kit includes a lead mouthpiece and 3 diamond whitening serums, and it's designed to whiten teeth up to 8 shades in just 9 minutes a day. After that, there's the Diamond Wireless Teeth Whitening Kit for around $130. This wireless kit uses 2 types of light therapy, blue light for whitening and red light for gum support. It's enamel safe, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. This kit includes a waterproof lead mouthpiece, 3 diamond whitening serums, and a teeth shade guide. Also, with both kits, you can choose between a one-time purchase or the kit plus a free 1-month subscription for the same price for the Confidence Club, which is basically a service offered by Snow that provides regular supplies of whitening serum and other benefits to maintain your bright smile. Snow offers products to help you maintain your bright smile, including whitening toothpaste for $22, mouthwash for $25, diamond dissolving whitening strips for around $30, or extra diamond teeth whitening serum for about $32, and a lot of other products which you can look up on their website. And one of these standout features is that all their products have a 30-day money-back guarantee and a warranty that span from 30 days to 2 years on all of their kits I just mentioned. So if for whatever reason you're not happy with the results, you can return the product for a full refund. And again, if at any point you decide that you want to give Snow a try, you can check out the affiliate link I left for you down in the description. Now, while Snow is very effective, there are also some drawbacks, just like any product or service. So the first thing is that you need to commit to using the product daily for the best results, which for some people can be hard to stay consistent with. Also, the lead mouthpiece can be slightly uncomfortable at first, but this usually improves with use. So I personally didn't think any of these things are a big deal, but I still think that you should know about them. Now, in terms of my experience using Snow, I personally started with a Diamond Wireless Teeth Whitening Kit, and I have to say I've had a great experience right from the start. The ordering process was easy, the kit arrived quickly, and using it was straightforward with clear instructions. All I had to do was brush my teeth, apply the whitening serum, and use the lead mouthpiece, which was comfortable and secure, letting me multitask. The convenience was one of the best parts. Using the mouthpiece for about 9 minutes a day fits easily into a busy schedule, and after just a few times of using it, I noticed a significant improvement in the brightness of my teeth without any sensitivity issues. And with their extra products like the whitening toothpaste and mouthwash, it was easy to maintain the results. So to wrap up this review, if you're wondering whether I'd recommend Snow Teeth Whitening, I absolutely would. It's convenient, effective, and makes it so much easier to get that bright smile without having to book appointments or spend a fortune at the dentist. I also really like that they offer different kits and add-on products, so there's something for every budget and need. The whole process is simple, the instructions are clear, and the results speak for themselves. On top of that, I was impressed with how supportive they are throughout the process, with the step-by-step guidance. Overall, I have to say it's been a really positive experience for me, and I'd definitely recommend giving it a try if you're looking for an at-home whitening solution that actually works. So if you're looking for an easy and effective way to whiten your teeth without the need for professional treatments, Snow Teeth Whitening is a great option. Anyway, that'll be all for today's video. If you found it helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you decide that you want to give Snow a try, you can check out the link I left for you down in the description. And of course, as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section, and I'll do my best to get back to them as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.